Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're seeing this video. So in today's class, we're looking at simultaneous linear equations. All right, so it's called simultaneous linear equations because the power of the variables are all highest power is 1. So we're going to look at this question and then we'll solve it. Say solve the equation 2x minus y equals 11 and then x plus 2y equals -7. So we want to use the substitution method to solve this problem. So solving using substitution method. So this is the solution using substitution method. We have 2x minus y equals 11, and this is equation 1. All right. So also have x plus 2y equals -7. This is equation II. All right. So from equation 1 or I, we can say, so from equation 1, 2x will be equal to, if y crosses to the other side, y will become positive. If y crosses to the other side of the equality sign, plus 11. All right? Therefore, x will be equal to, if we divide both sides by 2, if we divide both sides by 2, 2 cancel x. So x will be equal to y plus 11 divided by 2. What I did was simply divide the left hand side by 2, only x will be remaining. Divide the right hand side by 2, and that's it. This equation, we'll call it equation 3, which is I, okay? Now, we're going to substitute the value of x. If x is equal to everything on the right hand side, we're going to substitute the whole of this thing into equation 2. So anywhere we see x, I'm going to replace x with y plus 11 divided by 2 because they say x is equal to this, okay? So let's bring back equation 2 from II, all right? That is equation 2. This is equation 2, x plus 2y equals -7. Now, anywhere we see x, we replace it with y plus 11 divided by 2. So instead of x, now I'm going to write y. This implies that y plus 11 divided by 2. Now, we'll bring down this plus 2y is equal to -7. All right? Okay, so we'll proceed. Now, if we take the LCM of this thing, because this 2y is the same thing as divide by 1, it will still give you back the same 2y. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So, this is 2. 2 divide 2. If 2 people share 2 or they divide 2, it will give you 1. 1 times the numerator will give back the same numerator, y plus 11. All right? 1 person shares 2 will give you 2. 2 times 2y will give you plus 4y. All right? Everything equals -7. Okay, at this point, I am going to cross multiply. Now, this 7 is same thing as 7 divided by 1. So I can cross multiply, which means everything at the top multiply 1, 2 multiply 7. So if everything at the top multiplies 1, I'm going to still get the same thing. Y plus 11 plus 4y is equal to 2 times 11. 2 times -7 will give me -14. All right? So y plus 4y will give us 5. It's like saying 1y plus 4y to give us 5y, all right, plus 11 will be equal to -14. Now we want 11 to cross to the other side so that y can be alone. So 5y will be equal to -14. If positive 11 crosses to the other side, it becomes -11, which is equal to -25. All right, -11, -14 minus 11 will give us -25. All right, so 5y is equal to -25. If we divide both sides by 5, so that y will be alone, therefore y will be equal to -25 divided by 5, and this will give us -5. So y is equal to -5. All right. If y is equal to -5, we'll come back to where we had the value, how to get the value of x. Remember that equation 3 says that x is equal to y plus 11 divided by 2. Now we've known the value of y, we want to know the value of x. All right, so from equation 3, from x is equal to y plus 11 divided by 2, which is equal to, our y is -5, so replace it with -5 plus 11 divided by 2. So x will be equal to -5 plus 11. Let me write 11 very well so that it will be clear. All right. -5 plus 11 will give us +6 divided by 2. And this will give us 2 share 6. They take 3, 3. All right. So x equals 3. Y equals -5. And this is the solution to our question. I hope this class was fun. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. And if you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.